And in some news breaking this minute, the centre has supported a plea by army officers seeking recusal of a bench that made observation that murderers were roaming on the streets of Imphal. The centre claimed in court that the morale of the entire armed forces are affected as they are branded before trial in encounter cases. The petitioners argued that such pleas filed by army personnel are mere ploys and pressures to unsettle earlier order of the Supreme Court in the encounter cases. Our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja there joining us on the phone line with more details. Meenakshi, take us through the latest that is coming in as far as this case is concerned, with the centre clearly saying that the morale of the entire armed forces have been affected.
Well, a very, very big and interesting twist coming in at the hearing in Supreme Court, where at the outset the union government has gone ahead and supported this plea which has been filed by army officers and other personnel of the defence forces, which is seeking a recusal of the Supreme Court bench comprising Honorable Justices Madan, Lokur and Justice Lalit that had made observations on an earlier hearing which was to the nature of reprimanding CBI about how it is letting charge-sheeted people roam on the streets of Imphal. And yes, the morale of the entire armed forces is affected as they are branded before trial in encounter cases is a claim that the government of India has also made before the Supreme Court, supporting this particular plea seeking recusal of the justices hearing the Manipur encounter case. But the interesting and a big twist coming in from the Supreme Court has been the top court's bench questioning back the army personnel and the central government about why they should go ahead and recuse the case from the case when all that they have done is proceeded basis the material that has been submitted on record by CBI. And as we speak, orders on this particular plea seeking recusal of the bench has been reserved by the Supreme Court and is likely to pronounce its judgment on the same on Monday. Apurva.
All right. Many thanks, Meenakshi, for joining us and getting us all those details.